For a lot of people, it finally made sense what we'd been learning in the classroom, and being able to see things really helped understand why it was that we were learning about these different formations and such.
I think field trips are really useful because you learn things in classrooms, but when you're in person, you kind of get that hands-on experience.
I'm really grateful to be working with people from a variety of different backgrounds, and they're offering different perspectives on tasks which I wouldn't normally see.
Doing practicals, actually observe and touch the rocks with your own hands and your own eyes. It's very different from what you see from the pictures.
It's often said that the best geologists are the ones that have seen the most rocks, and that's why we do so much field work at the University of Manchester.
When you're doing it in a classroom, it was on like cardboard, like you need to actually see the rocks and learn how to do it, and everything's on a bigger scale as well, so you get to like work out how to scale up all your measurements.
It's really important to study geology in the field, to see it in the environment, because that's how we as geologists understand the processes that we study back in the laboratory and in our lectures.
So I thought it was a great experience, and it really pulled us together, because when we finally came together as a cohort, we really got to know each other a lot better.